Done. That's it for a day, huh?
Oh, I didn't know you were going.
All right. What's the plan? What are we doing? What is this?
So, this
Hold on. Dirty again. Give her.
So this is Goldie. This is going to be the engine going in the Tahoe to replace the disgusting pile of garbage that we pulled out.
Yeah, we don't.
So, I guess we're going to get into her because this thing's probably going to see some cam and some springs. So, I guess.
So, unmolested, we cleaned it up ish.
Cleaned it up last year,
Subaru.
put it in the Subaru. It ran in the Subaru. It spun tires in the Subaru.
Killed it in the Subaru.
Killed the Subaru. But I think we're going to try and tap a little more out of it this year.
So we're going to strip her down, heads off, everything else off. I thought this one pretty clean. Doesn't matter. Anyway, so.
It's pretty clean, but we're going to take a look at the cylinders again while we have it out. And probably change the lifters for the LS7 lifters we have.
Some old gooders in a Rock Auto box.
Yeah.
Beauty. One season on them. All right, fair enough. Store on the time lapse, I guess, eh?
Let's see what happens.
You guys strip it down with a snap-on. You gonna do your tiny one too? Oh, this could be a good product placement for the 3/8.
I don't know where my tiny one is.
Is that on your tiny one in your hand?
Well, there's my 1/2 inch.
Oh, don't your. Okay, no, this one. You think that'll do it? Pull head bolts out?
Oh, this will pull head bolts out.
That's actually not bad in there, so got a bit of scoring, possibly a little bit of crosshatch still. But pistons are pretty damn clean. Did we ever? No, we didn't even have the heads off. No. That's amazing.
This is a junkyard rando that we trusted.
As we do. I mean, other than that, clean this off. That's what you want to see when you pull heads off. No holes anywhere. So far. Guess we'll start here. So low mileage, one owner, right? Decent rockers, springs, look fairly new. That's promising. Till we come to the other side, which is.
I really hope that wasn't something I needed you to sat on.
That's
my
tripod, yeah. This side. Oh, I saw green. Oh! Maybe one side's just super dirty. No, the springs are totally different still.
These ones are thicker.
This is weird.
Why would you only do one head?
One head's dirty. Rockers and all. The other's damn near brand new. Good old junkyard. Engine. Not terrible.
We're still going to run it.
Yeah. Good as new. Impromptu Amazon tripod review. Impromptu Amazon tripod review. I nailed it that time. It's fantastic. It's $20-something. You know, perfect for rain. Strong except for this leg. So I just plastic welded, because I'm me, a plastic welded my $20 tripod that holds up $1,000. A heavy $1,000. All right, engine stripped down, heads are different. We have questions. We're going to go buy a cam. That's how things work here. Tell me that's a water passageway and you're not gouging the shit out of a cylinder. Reaming out some extra
Getting some
CCs. It's going to be 5.4 liters once we're done. Me dirty again. Let me guess, what's next? My tripod's going to break?
What?
Alright, so, 5 minutes went by. Speedy McGee here decided to rip the engine apart some more. So,
Are you taking a video or doing it?
should be doing it and be done. So here we are, later times. Oil pans off, oil pumps off, all the good stuff. We're gonna rip the front off. Forgot, however, what was I saying? Oh, pickup is bolted underneath. That's not great. That means the oil pan has to come off. We could do the mod. You can flip it to the other bolt hole. It's also, someone oil slicked the floor and I damn near ate shit.
Yeah, we had a BP level spill here.
Yeah, we're gonna...
There's a cam plate.
Alright, take two. Okay, please be more gentle. There goes wiping out all the cam bearings on the way out. Gently. Oh my god, I might actually be able to use this as a time lapse. Gotta say, in all my years of engines, I've never quite seen this before. Kind of really curious how one just swaps one head out and not the other, but whatever. Looks like they did it right and actually took their time. I don't understand some people. So anyway, that's it. That's the heads off, the 5.3. Everything looks pretty okay. Good enough to continue. So we're either going to order a cam, start throwing that in soon. We got to finish taking the 4x out of the Tahoe. So, things are happening. They're happening quick. Possibly get some Civic content up. I know how much you guys love that, but I missed that car and I want to drive it again. So, good strides on the Tahoe soon. Recently is a word I'm looking for, not soon. But you guys like what you're seeing? Subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Makes me feel like a man. And I appreciate your continued support, even though our LS Subaru is no more.